Today I will be showing you how to use Calendar on Blackboard. Once you are signed into Blackboard, click on the Calendar tab on the left-hand side of the page. This will show when assignments are due. By default, you will be put on Day View. You can scroll down through the schedule of your day to see what time things are due. You can also click on the other days of the week being displayed at the top of the page to see what is or was due on those days. You can click the forward arrow to see what is due in the coming week, or the backward arrow to see what was due in the past week. To view the entire month, click Month at the top right of the page. You can click the forward arrow to see what is due in the coming month, or the backward arrow to see what was due in the past month. Keep in mind that clicking on a day of the month will bring you back to Day View for that day. To return to Day View, click Day at the top right of the page, right next to Month. You can also click Due Dates at the top left-hand side of the page, next to Schedule, to see when assignments are due.